2013 was Congress's least productive year, on record, but state legislatures passed an estimated 40,000 new laws. Many of them are now taking effect today. In Washington state, for instance, fans of Seattle's pro teams can buy special license plates. And in Delaware, in case you're interested, it is now illegal to sell shark fins.
I'll stop that now.
Yes.
Meanwhile, in Texas, if you buy a mixed drink, you'll have to pay the state's 8.25% sales tax. But as Mark Strassmann reports, other new laws are sure to have a more profound impact.
Specifically for a big, heavy.
Many gun control advocates expected the Newtown school massacre would push Congress to adopt tougher gun control laws. But not a single new federal gun law passed in 2013.
We have to do more to keep dangerous people from getting their hands on a gun so easily.
However, look to the home state of the tragedy, Connecticut, and its neighbor, New York. Each passed assault weapons bills in 2013, requiring the registration of assault weapons and imposing limits on large capacity magazines. Back in June, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that states should decide whether to legalize same-sex marriage. That decision opened the door for 4 more states to legalize gay marriage. 18 states now have it. An increasing number of states are also loosening century-old drug laws. Colorado is the first to legalize recreational marijuana, and Washington state will follow later this year. Illinois is the 20th state to legalize the drug for medical use. Illinois State Senate President John Cullerton has served in the state legislature for over 3 decades. He thinks the public is ahead of politicians on this issue.
We have examples of laws that might at first be controversial, like medical marijuana, or even going back to the early 80s, passing the seatbelt law. So once we get it on the books, we start to expand it as the public starts to accept it.
Though at the same time, a variety of new laws are curtailing freedoms and have some residents complaining about the rise of the nanny state. In Oregon, smoking is now banned in cars when a child is present. In Illinois, it will be illegal for anyone under 18 to visit a tanning salon, even with a parent's permission. Illinois State Senator Cullerton calls the new laws common sense legislation.
When folks think about health, general health, I think they realize that the government should have a role.
And for every new law, there will be a new debate in 2014. Is it working? For CBS This Morning, Mark Strassmann, Atlanta.